the Chef George from the Events by George Company, catering company. Today, let's cook rice with ham. Simple recipe and very delicious. Ingredients for the yellow rice with ham. You use it minced garlic, black pepper, chicken base. This one is for the color of the rice. Ham, pork ham, peppers in jardiniere, rice, onion in jardinières, and olives. In the fry pan, we add 2 spoons of olive oil extra virgin to start with the pork ham. We add the pork ham. I'm cooking for 40 people. For this reason, I put a lot. Pork ham is sauteed for 10 minutes. We add the peppers. Mix. We add the onions. Mix again. To integrity all flavors in the preparation. We add garlic. We add the olives. We add the rice. And we mix too. The rice take the flavor of the all flavors in there. We add the chicken base. It's a little bit. Everything again. We put the fire now low fire because we need that the grain of the rice will be open and tender. Last steps is to put the color because I like that the rice will be a little yellow color. We now have already the color of this. Put a little more. Now we have the fire, low fire, and we cover it with aluminum foil until will be ready the rice. With aluminum foil, and we put the cover. This is after 25 minutes in low fire. Look how beautiful is the rice. Oh my goodness. The flavor is incredible. The client will be very happy with the rice. I made the final presentation now. This is the final result for the recipe with the rice with the ham, pork ham. I hope that you enjoy. Like, share, your comments are always very important for us. Every day we put a new video in our YouTube channel and we make any kind of event with any kind of food. Thank you so much.